Let's take the first step to create a solution. For this, you need to navigate to the solutions in the PowerApps portal. Just click the new solution, select a name like event organizing, and also you need to select the publisher. Be careful about this one, because if you select the predefined publisher, which is in the organization, there will be always a new prefix into your tables, into your rows and everything, and we don't really recommend this one. So it's always good to create your own publisher based on your department and the different development teams you have. So fill in this form according to the team who is going to develop this solution and maintain this solution in the future. And be sure that you don't have any space or special characters on the name. Have some meaningful description, and this is very important to have a meaningful prefix, because everyone will understand this was your team that have created this solution and also the components under it. So it will always have the TRJ train, for instance, in your columns, your tables, and everything. So it's recognizable by that one. And also, when you want to query the data, it will be always in the beginning of your table names. The choice value prefix will be randomly selected. So just make sure you have a meaningful name related to your team, and then press save. As soon as the publisher is being created, you will be navigated here, and then you can just select the proper publisher. So you will, of course, be able to choose this configuration page later, and it's really recommended. And it's also recommended to have some descriptions. Good. As soon as you have selected the description and everything, just press the create button. It will create your solution in a blink. As soon as the solution is created, you will be navigated to the solution. We want to create two tables for event organizing. One table will be just the event, like the event name and the date and the subject, just something like that. And then we will have the registration table, who will attend on this event.